Now, let's go put out that fire. Lead the way, BB. All right, Fireman Floof. What do you got? Floof! Sweet! That'll help, but I'm not sure it'll be enough. BB, can you make a fire extinguisher?
Of course. Constructomax, construct a fire extinguisher.
Oh, it's still not enough! I've got it! I remember we flew over a lake when we first got here. Make me a big bucket, BB, and I'll fill it with water.
Coming right up, Rosie. Constructomax, construct a super giant bucket.
Keep working the water and fire extinguisher. I'll be right back with lake water. Rangers, go!
The fire's almost out. There's just one more section.
Then leave that to me.